Hello, I'm Linda. Are you still looking for screw nut machines? We now have a new, purely electric screw nut machine. People may have been more hand-twisted before. Your fingers will hurt if you twist them manually. And because people's strength is different, so it's not always possible to achieve your torque requirements. Then we have a machine that can fully meet your torque requirements because we have a torque setting and a lap setting here. It's possible to get exactly what you want. Our machine is purely electric. It doesn't need gas, so it's very convenient to be able to operate anywhere you want. This is a 750-watt servo motor twisted nut machine with single station. We also have a duplex. We can see that this machine is customized according to the product. This product is a high voltage line for energy storage cabinets. As you can see, we have a lot of products here. If you have a different product that requires a Torx nut, just replace this set of fixtures. Because it's external, it's very easy to replace it. Just need to loosen these screws. The product is now in a twisted state because we're trying out the machine now, so we do need to twist it loose. We can change the twist loose mode. Well, there are 3 ways we can start it. On the touch screen you can press start. Then there's an activation switch here, and this foot switch. There are 3 types of startup that are all possible. Okay, so we're gonna go into a twisting mode. Just switch the torque mode. You see, it's very convenient. Okay, you can see the twist is very tight. It's hard to twist it with your hands. And we use bakelite for this jig, so it's very protective of this product. No scratches. Look, there's no damage. This machine is single station. Duplexing is fine if you need it. Then depending on the customer's different torque, we also have 1000 watts, 1500 watts, 1800 watts. It's all possible to go for off-standard customization.